pressure washed everything, and now we'll get a before shot and then start installing, and then you guys see the finished product.
Another cool crap. These are the parts that we're doing today. We've got oil filter, radiator caps, and oil cap. I'm not sure if that's everything that we're doing today. I think I missed one thing.
Did you even know I was gonna throw it at you?
No.
Okay, last item, AEM intake. Inside the box, there is the intake pipe, instructions with stickers, a heat shield, I guess that is, the air filter, hose clamps, little hoses and fittings and such. They're stripping, gasket, free. Oh crap! And the license plate frame that got thrown right over there.
And I didn't hurt myself.
Day 2.
Fingers hurt. They're cold.
And I told Darilyn grab the radiator hose because it's probably the hottest thing that she can touch, unless something else is hotter. Yeah, everything's hot. So the rest of the video, I'm going to be working, and Darilyn's just going to be grabbing random parts of the engine bay.
Keep warm.
So this is just going to be like any reality TV show where the production crew does most of this stuff, and then the actors come in and do the rest of it. I'm out here putting the new intake together. So I'm just going to swap everything over, and then Darilyn could come out and finish everything up. Because honestly, it sucks when her fingers are cold. Anyone sucks when your fingers are cold, right? Just to give a little bit of a recap on what I did off camera, that big gasket that comes, you have to cut it into different sections and then fit it around the whole thing, as well as over here. That's where the intake tube goes through. Swap over the mass airflow sensor and then put that coupler and that little hose barbs and stuff in there. So yeah, everything's to this point. The only thing left to do is put the air filter in here, get this all situated, and then tighten everything up. Oh, more AEM stickers.
trying to be like Sean. Now time for the other crap.
Just like, yeah, do that. Out of the box, it's
HKS again, we love it. That this would have had an overflow, but it doesn't, so we have an extra HKS cap. Correction, it does, but not with a cap. It has like a little boo-boo.
Boo-boo-bee-doo.
Boo-boo-bee. And it's, look, is that Japanese?
Yeah.
We're gonna do the oil change another day, so we don't need the oil filter today, but I'm gonna do my own oil change. So comment below if you guys, I mean, changing oil is kind of basic, but for me, it's like such a new thing. So comment below if you guys want to see a video of me changing my oil. And this video's come to an end. It's freaking cold out here, so here's a little bit more B-roll. I'm helping clean up.
Do your cleanup song.
Clean up, everybody.
So sick. I wanted to do a test drive before I filmed an outro, and this thing definitely, I don't know if you could hear that on camera. You could hear it, right?
I could hear it, yeah.
And then it does like the purge. So yeah, sounds really nice. Both now sucking air in and letting air out. Yeah, hope you guys like this little video. Just wanted to film like a, I don't know, more personable outro than us standing there in the backyard. What do you think?
Yeah, I think this is more personable and we're not freezing.
Yeah, it's nice and warm in the car. So yeah, for 2021, I kind of want to know in the future what you guys are looking for from Nabori Auto. I know we haven't asked you guys that in a while, but leave ideas or comments in the comment section below and let us know
what you want to see.
Yeah, what you want to see. If you're curious about anything in the past, anything in the future, and if it's anything that we're willing to share, then we will share it. But yeah, seriously, say this every time, but thank you for all the support. Thanks for the Instagram follows since this last video. Those of you who have commented where we got certain parts or started buying parts that we've got, it's awesome. If you want to support us more, like, subscribe, buy merch, which is on Shopify. I'll put the link in the description. It's not a lot yet, but it'll get there. But that being said,
Stay safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one.